Good morning. It is Easter Sunday 2026, which is the 5th of April. Woo! Yeah, we are heading off to do the Coogee to Bondi walk this morning. Although I'll take you outside. I'll show you outside. This is the weather. So we do have a little bit of blue sky over there, but I suppose it's obviously it's quite grey, so hopefully we're okay. It said it was meant to rain at 9 o'clock this morning, and has it? No, it's 9:30. We don't do early mornings. I do anything.
No, but Emily, you do early mornings, but then you fall asleep at like 6-7 p.m.
Yeah.
So really, who's the real winner?
Me. I have also, my friend Molly lives in Sydney, so I've messaged her to see if she wants to meet up. Obviously not today, just when we're here. We're gonna also go for, fingers crossed, it's still got left, a Sunday lunch, because it is Easter Sunday.
Do these students go?
Yeah. But yeah, let's get ready and we're gonna go.
Sure.
Oh god, you can't even do this. We've arrived at Coogee. It's a bit cold. Some history, pause if you'd like to read. The sunglasses have to come on, it's very glittery. But there's, I don't know if this is weird, probably is. But on the Bondi to Coogee walk, there's a nice little summer tree. Don't know if that's weird to like, but we like it. We've made it to Bondi after an hour and we think an hour and 15 minutes, so not too bad walk time. Oh, there's coffee, iced coffee in a can. We've come to a place called Locks in a Box. It's bagels, dinner time. It's perfect. Oh, iced chocolate, Hannah.
It's in the house.
It's the menu. Yeah, if you wanna. Oh, breakfast, nice. Iced chocolate, yes please.
Why don't you buy some?
Food came. Stunning. Goodbye, Bondi. We are having breakfast. Change with it and now to the St. Ocean. Where are you? Oh, we're nearly at the viewpoint with the too. What? I know, we're so many. We did stop for Starbucks to get me, not yawning again. We've made it to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Cool. There's the opera house over there in your back pocket. Yeah, walk around to the Sydney Opera, get to the chair, and then back to get ready for tea. Sydney Opera House, it looks so weird from like the front. Ah, yeah, look at that, that's great. The duck. I love duck. Beef skin and pigs in blankets. How good does that look? Oh, those pigs in blankets look fabulous. Thank you. I'll eat 7. We've just finished our Sunday lunch. Absolutely delicious. What do you reckon? Is it Glebe hotel? It was absolutely good. And they did a really nice diverse, really delicious desserts too. But we're on the way home. I'm going to bed because we've got an early start tomorrow.